Welcome, little friends! Today we're going to meet some wild animals. Ready? Let's go! Lion, 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 the lion roars loud. Roar, 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 with a mighty mane it rules the land. Tiger, 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 the tiger prowls quiet. Growl, 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 with orange stripes it moves through the jungle. Elephant, 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 the elephant stalks heavy. Thump, 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 with big ears and a long trunk it marches strong. Giraffe, 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 the giraffe stretches high. Munch, 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 eating leaves from the tallest tree, so tall and free. Zebra, 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 the zebra gallops fast. Clip, 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 with black and white stripes it runs across the plains. Monkey, 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 the monkey swings fast. Ooh, 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 jumping from tree to tree, laughing all the way. Cheetah, 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 the cheetah runs fast. Zoom, 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 the fastest cat in the wild, it races across the grass. Rhino, 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 the rhino charges strong. Thud, 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 with a big horn on its nose it marches through the mud. Kangaroo, 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 the kangaroo hops high. Boing, 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 bouncing across the outback with a joyful spring. Panda, 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 the panda munches bamboo. Crunch, 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 rolling and tumbling in the forest, so cute and plump. Wolf, 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 the wolf howls loud. Oh, whoa, oh, whoa, running with its pack through the forest at night. Crocodile, 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 the crocodile slides slow. Splash, 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 lurking in the water, waiting for a meal to pass. Bear, 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 the bear growls deep. Grr, 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 roaming the forest, so strong and fierce. Leopard, 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 the leopard sneaks by. Shh, shh, shh. With spots on its coat, it moves like a whisper in the night. What a wild parade of animals! Thanks for joining us, little explorers. Until next time, keep having fun with the animals.